So we now boarded the taxi to our
The
hotel.
taxis are nice and clean.
Our driver's name is Chris.
Yeah.
He lives in
They
New
look
York.
like new.
Chris, where did you live in New York?
Long Island.
Oh, Long Island. How many years?
4 years.
4 years.
Do you like it there or here?
I like it more there.
Because of the weather?
No, the weather is better here.
You like the
I like New York. Like, everybody likes New York.
you like the traffic in New York?
No, not the New York traffic. Where you guys live?
Los Angeles.
California.
Oh, the opposite state.
Yes.
Yeah,
How is that?
The weather here
the same.
is the same.
It's like California.
California. Lots of sunshine.
This is like LA. Yeah.
So so this is all year round.
No, we get some cold, but
Even winter? Winter is cooler.
yeah, it's cooler, but not very cold. Not like New York.
No wonder
That's the
this
world, guys.
and the best food I heard.
Yes, the best.
And the friendliest people.
Yeah, sure.
Happy, always happy.
Well, you live in the sunshine. It's your first time in Greece.
Second.
We were
Second.
here, but we took a cruise, so it was very brief.
Ah, you took a cruise?
Yeah,
Immediately?
very short.
Ah, so you didn't see Athens.
We were in a cruise.
the cruise, so
That's why we came back.
we only
Never
visited
take.
two island.
Never take a cruise.
Never take a cruise?
You will not see anything in a cruise.
No, you don't see anything.
No, it's good. You
Everything
can
No,
is
no,
very
it's
fast.
impossible.
take a day cruise, but it's always limited.
The
You have to
boat,
be back
the
at a
boat
certain
docks at
time.
8 o'clock. You come back at 5 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah.
So everything is fast, I know.
It's a rip-off actually. Cruise ships are rip-off.
I know. You pay a ton of money too.
Yep.
It's true.
So we arrive in Athens today, October 1st,
Yes.
Oh, they have Ikea also.
Sunday.
The
Of
year
course, IKEA is everywhere.
2023.
IKEA is even in Manila, in the Philippines.
So,
Yeah.
no graffiti,
So far.
So no traffic so far.
no traffic.
Later we will see graffiti in
Well, it is
Athens.
Sunday, so it's good because Sunday not that much traffic. But today we have a marathon in Athens.
Oh, really?
They run. So a lot of the places downtown they're closed for the marathon, so it's gonna be difficult.
Because in Germany, Berlin, they also had marathon
Yeah.
recently. Now it's
Now it's our turn.
Did they ever have the Olympics here?
Yeah, in 2004.
When was that?
It was in 2004, the Olympics. It was in Greece, in Athens.
This is where the Olympics was invented,
Of
Athens.
course.
Right, Chris?
Yeah. Of course, guys.
This is where it originated.
Hosted every 4 years. We only
Yeah, you
hosted in
winter.
2000.
But that's for the Summer Olympics,
Yeah.
maybe.
Summer Olympics. So how many days you guys stay?
Five-
Are there
5 days. 5
Is
days.
there a large Filipino community here in Greece?
Yeah, that's
I'm
a lot of
sure.
people.
Filipinos are everywhere.
Of course.
And everyone speaks English, huh?
Everyone, yes.
That's
Don't have a problem. Not as good as me, but they buy Piraeus. But very good seafood. Better than Athens.
And then I heard Osaka.
Oh, yes.
Osaka.
Osaka is great. It's not that ideal to take the metro.
We'll be dragging the luggage.
Yeah, we'll be tired when we get to the hotel.
Oh, definitely.
So there you studied? Did you
No,
go to
it had a huge waiting list, when I applied, so I had to have it made.
Well, you're probably better off here.
I'm better off everywhere. I also lived in Sri Lanka for a year and a half.
Oh, Sri Lanka, nice.
That was
I love Sri Lanka.
magical. You ever been?
No, I just saw it on the food blogs.
I was living in Galle, which is the most touristic part of Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
And in the house I was renting, I had in the morning I had banana trees, and in my backyard monkeys would come down, pick the bananas, and go.
Wow. Are the monkeys
Magic.
friendly
Very friendly, yes.
compared to
Small
Argentina?
monkeys, you know, not like.
Not Argentina, Costa Rica. That's nice, man.
It was very nice. But there it's hot all year long.
Yeah.
It's like very tropical, yes. This long line with fresh fish food, whatever you like.
Wow.
Yes, tuna, calamari, everything.
Chris, do you use kilometers or miles in
Kilometers.
Greece? Kilometers, no?
Yes, kilometers, Celsius, and kilos.
Okay. So the airport is how many kilometers to Diros city, the center
It's,
city?
from what I saw, it's 48.
48 kilometers. So it's like 30 miles.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. It's a bridge. It's quite a drive.
Yeah, it is.
What do you call this highway, Chris?
This is called Attica Avenue.
It's a European Union highway, no?
Yeah, it is
Ah.
German name.
Eleftherios. It's clean.
Clear.
Ah, clear.
Sky?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
I would say this
Yes,
looks
it's
like
great.
this is definitely Los Angeles. No?
Yeah, a lot of
LA,
a
yeah.
lot of people told me that actually that live in Los
It's
Angeles.
California.
But there's no smog.
Look at that. That's California.
Yeah, besides the smog, we say that the hills and the surroundings
Yeah, maybe.
looks a lot like
And the
California.
green signs.
It's like home.
Except the architecture of the houses. They're
Yeah, of course.
mostly white or beige.
I can live here.
Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful climate, great food.
Yeah. I'm tired of America.
How are you?
I am tired of America.
Why?
Yeah,
Politics?
too much politics,
Politics everywhere.
crazy people,
Oh, we got some
narrow-minded
crazies.
people. They don't
Liars.
liars.
Politicians.
Liars? In
Crazy.
America? Yeah,
just
well,
tiring.
our ex-president,
Really?
Trump, he kept promising.
They promise a better future, right?
Basically,
That-
right now,
That never
He said,
comes.
America
he
is-
said, we will make.
So where did you learn your English, Chris?
Not school.
School. Oh.
School, and I practiced all my years in New York.
Yeah, that's why you don't sound like Greek at all. There's no accent.
Yeah, I know.
Very
A lot of places I know. I mean, to be objective, 100% objective, if you want like to retire or vacation somewhere, Greece is the best place.
Yeah.
I can see that.
But to live and work, no, not really, no. It's more expensive than New York.
More expensive here.
Yeah.
How about the economy? Improving?
It's going, you know, it's going.
And they said that lately Greece has been very popular among tourists.
When it's the food that you said, and all the sites and the ancient places.
If you want to eat healthy,
Yeah, you
Greece,
can. You can. Greece,
because of
yes.
the Mediterranean.
Guys, the first time I went to the state in New York, it was in 2004. I stayed huge. The food
100
is,
The
kilos.
food is
the
like
food
too
is
much.
full of preservatives. Yeah, it's very bad.
It's amazing.
And the steaks.
25 kilos in a year and a half.
You gained 50 pounds, huh?
Yeah, people wouldn't recognize me when I come back.
That's crazy.
What happened to you?
That's not good.
McDonald's happened to me and Burger King and KFC.
Yeah. But of course, people walk a lot.
So right now, how many kilos? You
Now?
75?
I'm around 90.
90?
Yeah, but I'm built, you know.
In between. But
I'm a big guy.
Yeah. What? How tall are you? 5'8"?
nine.
I can tell you in inches, I'm 183
Oh, 183. Oh, centimeters.
centimeters. That's another thing.
It's really hard to convert. Yeah. I think it's divided by
You
12,
know-
right? 12.
Yeah. You know why they have everything different in the States?
Yeah, it's the opposite. Yeah. Miles, we still use miles.
Yeah, but they have everything opposite.
That's the best explanation.
It is.
What is Eleftherios?
Eleftherios is a place that has a lot of ancient ruins, and it's where the ancient rituals were happening.
Oh,
If you ever read that they were giving like predictions for the future and things like that.
Eleftherios.
Eleftherios.
So we're now in Athens, right? This is Athens. Yeah?
Nope. Not yet.
Not yet. Oh,
Not yet. Still got ways to go. Yeah, that's all you guys. Almost 50 kilometers.
It's okay. It's pleasant anyway because the roads are nice and smooth.
Yeah, we're going fast too. So.
Fish bowl.
Fish food.
the best one.
How did that happen?
Oh, we had to cross to get to your.
Ah, you had to cross the street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, of course.
We thought it was like right in front of the.
No, we can't pick you up from there.
You cannot because that's for regular taxi.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, they tried to steal me from you guys.
Exactly.
Sky is
Exactly the
blue,
same.
only one.
And there are no. But there's so many homeless now. Downtown.
In Athens?
In downtown, in LA.
Ah, in LA, yeah. I've
So
always
many.
been in New York. CNG.
It's good for the engine.
It's great for the engine. I changed the oil. Pure.
Amazing.
Not black.
Are there any electric cars here too?
There are, but
Not that many.
they're not that good yet, you know. We also have Teslas as well. I didn't know, so that was my first. The normal price? He says, yes, of course. So the other guy took me for. It was my first time. Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. I mean, all coffee shops and restaurants.
Restaurants closed.
No, they're open.
No, they're
Open.
open because it's a family day.
Only companies.
Yeah. Do they
Maybe
take
a party.
breaks, like lunch breaks?
From you.
Oh no, he was rushing.
I guess so. So they're closed, and commercial shops like clothes shops and electronic shops are closed. But all the other places, people don't work. Most people don't work on Sundays. Imagine my, I think, yeah, and I will get, a beer. 26 years old. Sir, we're sorry. Yeah, the
That's
liquor
something
store.
They will ask you for.
Well,
Yeah, very, very, very. This is what he wanted. He wanted to see the what
like
time.
after problem.
Plenty of time to do that.